And today's find is this one-of-a-kind, possibly lowest mileage, classic 05 in the States. 39,000 miles, 2005 GMC Sierra 2500 HD DURAMAX LLY with 39,000 miles. This is clean title, CARFAX certified. There's no record, there's no history, there's no sign or any evidence of being in any accidents or having any kind of damages whatsoever. The paint appears to be 100% all original. I've been in the business for well over 28 years, and I can see paint work from a mile away if I'm trying to find an issue, and this appears to be 100% original. This is SLE, loaded SLE, 6-passenger seating, power windows, door locks, tilt, cruise, power seat, 6-passenger seating. It's got the factory power telescoping towing mirrors. It's got the chrome appearance outside, running boards, factory tinted windows, rear defroster, etc. Front fog lights. The interior of this truck is literally in brand new condition. It actually still smells the new car smell. Yes, no joke, still smells like a new car smell. Headliner is like brand new. There's not a rip, there's not a tear, there's not a scar, there's not a scuff or any issues. Same goes for the seats, for the carpet, for the upholstery. I moved that to take the picture. Take a look at there's no wear or tear at all. This is one of the things I look at always. There's your kick jam. This is your entry. Look at the rubber, look at the paint, look at the plastic. There's not a scuff. There's not a scratch at all. That's just the dirt. Carpet is like brand new. There's not a scuff on it. There's not an issue. This truck is 100% all original. There's no modifications, no alterations to the Sierra. Not to the engine, not to the suspension, or the exhaust, or any of it at all. Literally brand new. This is the perfect truck for someone that loves this body style, loves the classic, wants a brand new one and wants to keep it forever, and just never got the chance to buy an extra one 20 years ago and park it. Well, someone else did. Rarely used it, and this is your chance. 39,000 actual miles. 2-owner truck. First owner owned it from 2005 to 2020, and the second owner bought it in 2020, and we just acquired it from him. Literally, this truck is brand new. I mean, words just can't describe it at all. There's a jack, never been used. Brand spanking new. These are the factory floor mats that have been on since new, and just, man, I don't want to keep talking because it's, I hope you guys got the idea of the condition of this truck. You can literally put it in a museum. This truck is literally like brand spanking new. All the plastics, the dash, everything. This thing was always stored indoors. When got it from the gentleman, he did not want it to be transported in the open. He wanted it transported enclosed. So the only add-on to the interior is the Tikunisha trailer brakes. That is about it. The front windows have never been tinted, factory glass. Power telescoping mirrors work perfectly. Brand new set of 33-inch BF Goodrich KO3s in the 10-ply rating all the way around. I took zoomed in pictures of all these wheels. I mean, look at the chrome. It is literally like brand new. There's no corrosion, there's no peeling, there's no issues at all. Let's take a look at the undercarriage. This truck is rust-free. Look at these rockers. Just insane, super clean. We just had the truck completely serviced, new batteries, coolant flush, brake fluid flush, idler arm bracket with bracket, AC charge. It's just dialed, 100%. Let's go take a look at the roof. I do have all the original books, all the original manuals, even the original window sticker for the truck. And the truck does come with one key only and one fob. But as we know, these are very cheap. You can acquire them, so it's no big deal. Front bug shield since new. It's done its job, protected the hood. There is no rock chips or any issues at all. All the headlights are in excellent shape. The bumper, the chrome, and the paint is all extremely excellent condition. Let's go here. What do we want to do now? Let's get this thing started and we'll test out the mirrors and etc. Odometer reads 39,523 miles. Four-wheel drive on the fly. Just turn the lights on so we can check those. And we'll turn the cab lights and the fog lights. There's your trailer brakes. Ashtray never been used. Turn that on. Okay, let's see here. There's the power windows, driver's side, rolls at ease, rolls down at ease. Let's look at the passenger side. Rolls up at ease, rolls down at ease. Passenger rear. And driver's rear, up and down. There we go. Let's try out the mirrors. They are extended out. Let's extend them in. So that's going in. Let's show that one. Fully extended in. Let's extend it out. All right, so there's in and out. We did. Now let's try moving the actual mirror. Left, right, up and down. Let's go to the passenger side. Right, left, up and down. Let's try the driver's seat. There's front, back, front up, front down. There's the back and down. Okay, what else do we do? Let's do the wipers. The wipers work. Horn works. Let's check out all the lights. Fog lights, markers, everything has been inspected, completely gone through. They're fresh coolant, New battery, AC Delco, deep cycle. There's the second one. There's not a drip of oil. There's not a drip of clay in the steering at all. This thing is like brand new. New fuel filter, etc. I say this truck is like brand new. This thing is as close to brand new as possible. This is the LLY. If you've done your research, I even have some people that's telling me they think the LLY is even better than the LBZ. I think they're the same. Reading up on them, it's the same engine, same internals. There's a difference that GM did in the tune and got you 30 more horsepower. Only major difference is 5-speed Allison, 6-speed Allison. What's the extra speed? Let's prop my air conditioning tester here. AC is blowing super cold, by the way, so we're gonna do this quick because I'm pretty cold. This is gonna be like 15 degrees, I swear. Told you. That's enough. Well, you can tell this thing blowing super cold. Whew, turn the heat on. Let's check out. Here's the volume button from the steering wheel. There's one of the channels. Switching your source. So everything works as designed. Tried all that stuff. We are all good to go here. There's one finger to the left, one finger to the right. Zero issues, no play. Take a look at the steering wheel. It is literally like brand new. There's no marks, there's no scratches, there's no worn spots at all. Everything on the instrument cluster works great. That's the light for cab light up top. Let's turn that off. What else do we have? I think that covers it. Truck is self-explanatory. Like I said, if you are looking for the cream of the crop, this is it. You found it. And there's not a chance, not that many chances that more trucks like this that's 20 years old been kept up and preserved. When I say museum quality, this is it. Now, the good news, I can finance the Sierra just as if it was a new truck. So qualify it for new car financing, which means up to 84 months and same interest rates as if it was a 2022 or 2023. Oh, look, there's a couple of scratches on the bed. There's no dents or any of that stuff. So I can qualify it for new car financing up to 84 months, same interest rates as a model 2022. My bank, my credit union will do this. Your bank, your credit union, they don't understand what this truck is. They don't know what a classic LLY is or any of that stuff. They go by Cali Blue Book or NADA or Black Book, and they say it's worth $20,000. So we all know what's there. And your bank is not gonna finance it for the term. If you're lucky, they might do 24 months, maybe 36 months if you got a really generous credit union. So that wraps her up for that. Number two, I sell and ship all my trucks all over the country. And I can help you ship the Sierra right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. No matter where you live, whether you're in Alaska, whether you're in Hawaii, whether you're in New York, Pennsylvania, Chicago, Utah, Nevada, Arizona, California, Idaho, Delaware, South Dakota, North Carolina. You got the hint, you got the point. I can help you arrange shipping and ship the Sierra right from my showroom right to your front door. We deal with transporters every day for the last 8, 9, 10 years. I know how to vet them. I know how to make sure they're insured, bonded, We deal with A+, A1 rating companies, so we don't just transport with anybody. Now, obviously, it is your choice if that's what you want to do. But I'm very familiar with this process. You've waited this long to get your dream truck. I am happy to help you and get it to your driveway. If you are bored, if you are retired, if you got time off and you know what, you want to make that bucket list drive cross country, or whether you're closer to us, if you want to fly in 10 minutes from the airport, happy to pick you up and get you to drive your truck home. But we get pretty good rates for transport. 99% of the time, pencils out to just transport it, not put the miles on it, and get it to your driveway. Again, my name is Ash, Jordan Motorsports. This is our showroom. We're a family business. We deal with unique and hard to find pre-emission diesel trucks. These are some of our awards and certifications. We didn't just start doing this. We've been doing it for a long time. We use YouTube for videos and videos only. Reach out to us at jordanmotorsports.com. Happy to answer any questions. Talk to you soon.